Hi everyone, Lisa here from Pretty Fabulous with a quick tip on how to use your ClickUp favorites. So if you jump over in here into favorites, you'll see I actually don't have any. So we're going to go ahead and make some favorites together. So what are favorites? So you can actually favorite anything, just kind of like a bookmark. So if I jump over here into spaces, I have to search around for things, but I really know that I want to work on the Paracozy Book Club. So I do want to see this in my favorites list. I'm going to click on those three dots and I'm going to say add to favorites. And then I do know that inside Pretty Fabulous, the next thing I want to work on is my website. So I'm going to go over here and say the same thing, add to favorites. And then for the card deck template for fantasy, maybe I know it's just a simple task that I need to do. So create words on the card. I don't want to forget that. So I'm going to come over here to that task actually, and then I'm going to say add to favorites. So it doesn't really matter what level you're at. Over here in ClickUp, you can save dashboards, views, spaces, folders, lists, tasks, docs, pages, sprints, and a current sprint all to your favorites. So where do you actually find your favorites? So one, you can find them in here. And this kind of looks like Asana. I really hate it. I think it's really ugly. If I hit this little push pin over here, it will actually take all of them to the top. So no matter where I am inside of my ClickUp, I can see my favorites: Paracozy Book Club, website, create works on cards. So it's kind of always staying top of my mind. But remember, that's only if you push that little push pin when we go over here to our favorites area. If you don't want that there, you can say unpin, and then your favorites will drop down into that space bar on your left. Remember, space bar on the left, or you can pin it to the top. To me, it makes more sense to pin it to the top, but to each his own. And that is your quick tip for ClickUp for today.